we meet again. Hyfryd. Right te boys, dwi'n meddwl... na neis. Good service, gwasanaeth da yma. Yn y gwesti moethus, 5 seren. Dwi'n synhwyro, dwi'n meddwl bod pawb wedi blino tipyn bach.
Yn union, yn union.
Achos, meddyliwch chi, dydd Gwener, dydd Sadwrn, dydd Sul, dydd Llun, dydd Mawrth, dydd Mercher heddiw. Dych chi ar eich chweched diwrnod, 6th day, chweched diwrnod nawr, o ddosbarth Cymraeg, gweithgaredd, canwyo, nofio, brysur, dosbarth Cymraeg, rhaglen fyw, a trwy'r amser, dych chi, without a doubt, dych chi yn hilarious, dych chi'n ddonol iawn, ond trwy'r amser mae fel rhaid i chi weithio fel perfformio, ddim perfformio, not in a, mewn ffordd ffals, ond fel, so nawr, am 10 munud, dwi eisiau just ymlacio.
I'll be asleep.
I could be
Gyda-
dangerous.
I'll be snoring.
Bob, peryglis.
Pericles.
Ydy Bob eisiau mynd i orwedd ar y bwrdd, reit yn ymlaen, yn snooze away. Felly, dwi just eisiau chi ymlacio. Allwch chi eistedd ar y gadair, eistedd ar y llawr, mae fyny chi. Gallwch chi eistedd yn dawel. Nawn ni gyda'n gilydd iawn, am 5 munud, byddwn ni just yn eistedd yn dawel, ac wedyn byddai'n siarad dipyn bach gyda chi, ac wedyn, dwi eisiau chi dewis, choose. Ydych chi eisiau eistedd yn dawel, so just 5 munud o ddim byd, of nothing. Hello, Mam.
Sorry. Sorry. Mae Glinda fi.
Dim problem.
Rwy'n fflan i fi. Mae fflan i fi.
Dai, wyt ti'n gwisgo sgidiau glib, cariad? That's not good.
Tipyn bach o byd.
Yeah, in case you get a cold. Ti'n meddwl, falle bydde fe'n...
Da, diolch.
Sanne, ti eisiau sanne sych? I've got some sanne sych. Ti'n siŵr? Ydyn nhw'n dweud?
Okay.
Siŵr?
Fy sgidiau yn wlyb.
Ar ôl
Fy sanau yn wych.
yn sych.
Sych.
Ddim mai... Ac yn wych. Mae gwych splendid. Ar ddechrau. Ie. Felly, os ydych chi eisiau, gewch chi ddewis wedyn, gyda'r music, gewch chi eistedd, darllen trwy'r sgript, dipyn bach. So first 5 munud, just eistedd yn dawel, dim siarad. Wedyn, gallwch chi ddewis darllen y sgript yn dawel, neu mae llinellau, lines yna, os ydych chi eisiau gwneud e, just ar ben eich hun, on your own, ar ben eich hun yn dawel. Neu, os ydych chi eisiau gwneud eich word searches yn dawel yn y gornel, up to you. Freestyle it, anything you want, iawn? Neu silent reading, neu beth bynnag, oce? Just am 10 munud, just i gael dechrau bach chill, iawn, i'r prynhawn. Na, ble bynnag dych chi eisiau, anywhere you want. Eisteddwch, gorweddwch.
What I want to do is lie my front on the carpet and not be able to.
O ie.
I love it, he takes it off.
Na chi, boys. Ond i ddechrau...
Oh, just nice 5 minutes.
A just ceiwch eich llygaid yn dawel bach.
This is like last night.
Like this morning.
Couldn't believe it. Oh, at least it all night. How you kept going, I'll never know.
I know.
You were brilliant.
Aggressive, isn't it?
It is aggressive almost. It's a form of abuse.
Os dwi'n dechrau siarad, guys, os dwi'n dechrau siarad, just ignore me, just ymlaciwch. You don't have to answer dim byd, just... Felly, yn ara bach, dwi eisiau chi weld a teimlo ac arogli a meddwl a credu a clywed chi y person sydd yn y stafell yn gorwedd ar y llawr yn siarad Cymraeg. Da chi'n chill? Just chill. Just dychmygu. He's trying not his best not to snore, yndi?
Galed mawr.
Just dychmygu. Da chi'n siarad Cymraeg bob bore, bob prynhawn, bob nos, o fore gwyn tan nos. Dych chi'n deall pob peth dych chi'n ddarllen. Dych chi'n siarad gyda'ch gŵr, gyda'ch ffrindiau, gyda'ch plant. Siarad yn Gymraeg. A dych chi'n teimlo'n hyderus ac yn hapus ac yn gyfforddus. A dych chi'n deall pawb o'ch gwmpas chi ac yn mwynhau. Mae Wyn yn mwynhau, dwi'n meddwl. Ac unwaith dych chi'n gadael Fforest, dych chi'n gallu dal i siarad Cymraeg a deall gyda phob un synwyr. Clywed, siarad, meddwl, credu. O waelod eich traed, reit i fyny at y pen-glin, reit i fyny eich coesau, at eich bol, o'r bol i fyny trwy'r frest, i fyny at yr ysgwyddau, o'r sgwyddau i lawr y breichiau, ac allan trwy'r bysydd, ac i fyny'r breichiau, yn ôl at y sgwyddau. At eich gwddw i fyny trwy'r gen, i'r geg, a'r trwyn a'r bocha, a'ch llygyd, i fyny'r talcen, ac allan drwy dop eich pen. Mae Cymraeg yn llifo, flow, i fyny ac i lawr, trwy eich gwaed chi. A rwan, just ymlaciwch, just anadlu mewn ac anadlu allan, a mwynhau y gerddoriaeth a'r tawelwch. Ac mewn 1 munud, byddwn ni'n agor ein llyged yn ara bach. Mewn 1 munud bach. Pan ydych chi'n agor eich llygaid, codwch yn araf oddi ar y llawr a penderfynu beth ydych chi eisiau gwneud. Ydych chi eisiau darllen eich sgript? Ydych chi eisiau gwneud eich cardiau, llinellau, word searches yn dawel? Peidiwch â siarad. Just codwch yn ara deg.
It's gone totally. But it wasn't.
Mae Alex yn snorio.
Ac os ydy o'n helpu, just ymestyn.
Dwi'n hoffi cysgu.
Nice. Power nap.
I wasn't snoring, was I? I could
Ti
have been
gysgu?
snoring. Oh, did I?
Right.
Pam i here, ond dwi ddim wedi dod in the past, yeah?
Yeah.
I haven't is in the past, but because it's today, is this?
If it was today, I do not come here. Because
okay.
but it's like, yeah. I have not come here. Oh, I see, because it's today, you think it's kind of in the present, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's definitely in the past, because it's like...
Because I haven't done that
it
before.
before.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay, guys, felly, penderfynwch, you decide, mae llinellau, lines, cardiau 2 ochr, double-sided paragraphs, word searches, neu darllen y sgript. Mae fyny chi. Just 5 munud, 10 munud, tawel. Ar ben eich hun.
Ond
Yeah. Oh, God.
dwi ddim dod wedi
Just for this bit.
Just for this bit now.
Yeah. Just so...
We turn it off when you can.
Yeah.
Indiana Jones.
Okay, cool. Because of edits.
No.
Okay. Is that okay?
Dwi wedi dod yma ar baratoi rhaglen newydd
Tawel.
newydd rhaglen teledu S4C. Sef. Teithioedd a ffyrdd. Mae'n gyfres gyffrous iawn sy'n sôn am hanesyl.
have done that all day, could you? Just thought, it's not making great telly for them, is it? But it's very important for you.
I don't care.
They were like they're having a mare with the edit. The music, I know. Ond, dwi eisiau dweud wrthych chi, I keep sitting down, mae'n iawn, yndi? Dwi eisiau dweud wrthych chi, mae heddiw yn ddiwrnod pwysig, achos heddiw mae'n digwydd o hyd trwy'r amser gyda dosbarth. Os ydy'r cwrs, if the course is 2 ddiwrnod neu bythefnos, 2 weeks long, ar cwrs preswyl residential course, dyma'r pwynt anodd ble dych chi'n gweld y diwedd, ond it's still quite far away.
Yeah.
So dych chi'n agos, ond dych chi'n bell. Dych chi'n... Yn fan hyn, mae fel panic. Oh, I should be this, I should be that. Cyn nawr, dych chi wedi mynd gyda'r llif, go with the flow. Mae'n digwydd, mae fel formula. Mae'n digwydd fel, oh, I should be more fluent, neu I should know that, neu I should know this, neu oh, I've only got a bit left and I want to learn dysgu gymaint a dwi'n gallu. A hefyd, mwy na hynna, the overriding thing, especially yn arbennig I chi, ydy mae dip o ran egni wedi blino, you know, achos dych chi'n brysur trwy'r amser. Felly, os dych chi wedi blino, mae'n iawn, mae'n naturiol. Os dych chi'n teimlo dipyn bach yn, mae'n iawn. Achos bore fory, that's why I only can gutted when I said, oh, I've got this shift. Bore fory, byddwch chi fel bottles of pop, byddwch chi wedi cael fel ymlacio, cysgu, bydd popeth y diwrnod ola, come on, bring it on. So, ond, mae hwn yn dda, it's a good place to be, achos pan dych chi wedi ymlacio, mae pethau'n bynd ni mewn without you realising it. So, mae'n neis cael dipyn bach o amser tawel, yn dydi? Cos dyn ni ddim yn bottles of pop trwy'r amser. Right. Oh, dwi'n mor snotty, dwi'n mor sori, mae mor unladylike, yn dydi? Ti'n iawn, Bob, ti a fi, love. Reit te, beth dyn ni'n mynd I wneud ydy just ymlacio dipyn, ymestyn, ie? Just ymestyn y corff dipyn bach. Felly, ar eich traed. Okay. Oops. Felly, dipyn bach o lech i'ch hun, right. Ymestyn reit I fyny. A reit I lawr, only as far as you can go, which in my case... a gwnewch eich breichiau yn llac. Loose, llac. A codwch I fyny yn ara deg, rowlio I fyny. Ag ymestyn lan. A'r breichiau I lawr. Da iawn. A rowlio'r sgwyddau nôl.
Roll your sgwyddau, I like that.
Rowlio'r sgwyddau. Da chi'n gallu dweud hyn?
Sorry, that came out. I didn't mean it to come out like that.
Nice spine egg.
Like you did, though, Comedy gold.
Fel hyn, rowlio, flowri, lawr, allt. Rowlio, flowri, lawr, allt. Yn ôl, rowlio, flowri, lawr, allt. Rowlio lowri lawr ar 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 allt. Da iawn! And that's all.
I have no idea what we're saying.
Lowri rolls down the hill.
Lawr ar allt.
Lawr ar allt.
Down the hill.
Down the hill. O rhyw. In South Wales.
Rhyw.
Just to do with that.
Chocolate.
Rhyw.
Down the six.
Down the sex. Rhyw.
Means a lot of things, doesn't it?
Rhyw. Hill. Lan y rhyw.
Pen Rhyw Caiba.
Pen rhyw Caeber. Rhyw. Some rhyw.
Oh, don't do a drawing for this. You're not going to do a drawing, are you?
Well, I could.
Oh, no.
Na, gyda. Rhyw. Arall. Yr un arall.
Uh-oh.
Right te. Okay.
There's nobody on the sound desk.
Okay. Dwi eisiau edrych dipyn bach ar y nitty-gritties iawn. Felly, I am neu I do, right? Beth mae'n neud, can fahafio. Okay, shouldn't ni'n deud I am. So I'm Nia. Dwi, da iawn. Dwi. Nia dwi. Iawn? You are neu you do, right. Edrychwch yn eich sgriptiau. Can you see a version? Let me see rwan. Fan hyn.
Sorry. So.
Right. Da ni'n mynd i wneud am... sut dyn ni'n dweud? Tudalen 4, page 4. Da chi'n gallu ffeindio he is. Mae e. Da iawn.
Page 4.
Da iawn. Mae e'n fachgen dymunol iawn. Beth am, neu mae e'n fachgen clyfar iawn. Dych chi'n gallu ffeindio ar dudalen 4, they like, yn fan hyn.
Mae nhw'n hoffi.
Da iawn. Mae nhw'n hoffi, da iawn. Dych chi'n gwybod sut i ddweud, we got one here. Oh, right, tudalen 3. And that's why you are here. That's why you are here.
Dych chi yma.
Da iawn, dyna pam. So beth ydy'r you are, dych chi'n meddwl? Dych chi, da iawn. Dych chi, da iawn. Wedyn, ydy yma, mae hi. Na, oce. Felly, chi'n cofio, mae gennym ni'r T version a'r chi version. How are you? Sut wyt ti? Da iawn. So, rwyt ti. Iwa. Mae e. Beth am she is? Dych chi'n gwybod?
Mae
Hi. Like, mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n braf. We are neu we do. Yeah, so os ydych chi yn yr ysgol, it comes from rydyn ni, rydych chi. But dyn ni eisiau chi siarad yn naturiol, nice and natural, iawn? Right, mae hwn yn bwysig iawn, ac mae'n ddefnyddiol iawn. beth ydi defnyddio?
To use.
To use. So beth ydi defnyddiol?
Useful.
Useful, da iawn, useful. Mae hwn yn ddefnyddiol iawn, okay? Felly, ar eich traed...
Gyda llyfr?
Na, dim llyfr. Oops. Iawn. A dyn ni'n mynd I ganu fel hyn. Dych chi'n cofio'r actions? So, I, dyn ni'n mynd fel hyn. Dwi. Da iawn, I am. You are. He. Yeah, so it's like it makes a T. He is. Mae. Da iawn, she is. Mae. We are. Dyn ni. You are. Dych chi. They are. Mae nhw. Ardderchog. Dead easy tune, iawn. Dwi, rwy ti, mae hi, dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Hapus? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Dwi, rwy ti, mae hi, dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Eto. Dwi, rwy ti, mae hi, dyn ni, dych chi, mae nhw. Da iawn, reit te. I am. Dwi. You are.
Rwy ti.
He is. She is. We are.
Dyn ni.
You are. They are. Da iawn, reit te. Sut dyn ni'n dweud we are? Dyn ni. Actions, ardderchog. Sut dyn ni'n dweud I am?
Dwi.
They are. We are.
Dyn ni.
They are. He is. She is. He is. She is. I am. You are.
Rwy ti.
You are.
Rwy ti.
Da iawn. Oh yeah. I don't know why changing my voice made me think you'd know I meant the other one. They are. He is. I am.
Dwi.
You are. We are.
Dyn ni.
They are. We are.
Dyn ni.
They are. I am.
Dwi.
She is.
Hi.
Da iawn.
Hi.
You are.
Rwy ti.
Da iawn. Plural you are.
Dych chi.
Da iawn, ardderchog, reit te. O, syniad da. Trowch rownd, turn around. Save me. Iawn te. Actions os gwelwch yn dda. I am.
Dwi.
You are. He is. She is. We are. You are. They are. He is. She is. They are. We are. You are plural. You are singular. I am. He is. She is. They are. I am. You are. We are. They are. I am. O, da iawn, eisteddwch, reit te. Hapus?
Hapus iawn.
Right, felly, gyda partner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, partner newydd, iawn, dwi eisiau I chi Bob a partner, Lucy a partner, Irfon a partner eisiau chi.
Diolch.
A ti a partner, iawn. Gyda partner, dwi eisiau I chi taflu'r dis, ac mae un person yn dweud y Saesneg, mae'r person arall yn dweud beth ydy'r Gymraeg, iawn? So bob tro ydych chi'n glanio ar y 5, rhaid I chi dweud, you are, dych chi, gyda'r action, mae'n bwysig iawn. Okay, hapus? Ardderchog. Dych chi eisiau mynd at y bwrdd? Ydy yn haws? Easier? Haws wrth y bwrdd? Da iawn.
We gotta move.
Neu, na, sy'n rhaid I chi, you can just do it there os dych chi eisiau. Na chi.
Right.
Number 6.
Nes ti glywed ti'n dweud...
It's not so good, is it?
Ma fe.
Shall I try and do it on this?
Sorry, 5. Yeah, you are.
Do we? Is it like a race? Oh, is it? I think we both got to do it together.
Okay. Same as my in.
Right, ready?
Sorry.
Barod? Barod?
I am. Ma dy chi.
Let me do it.
Ydych chi?
Right tea.
Rwy ti.
Number 3. She is.
Mae e.
She is.
Fi. Oh, that was like me.
It's all fi.
Fi. Dwi.
Is a girl. He is a female.
Right tea.
No, A is a boy. My he. Okay, so think he for her. Right. Got it? Think he for her.
Yeah, fine.
For we are. Is it me? My in. We are.
Dinny.
I'll do one. I can't do
Dunny.
this. Mine too well. Dunny. Right,
Oh,
we are.
No, you're right. Yes, you're absolutely right.
Dunny. Yes. Because you just said it. 2. Ati. My. Right. Yes. That's the only R one. That's the only R one.
Mine.
6. They are. My new.
Dinny.
3. He is.
Dinny.
My
I only just now realised that she is he.
Yes.
So it's just the opposite.
I was going to say yes. Yeah.
So
He is her. He is her. And her is he.
my he.
Yeah. He. Her.
Okay.
Okay.
We are.
Dunny. No.
Yeah?
Dunny.
Okay. Right then. So number 1.
Dwi.
So it's Dwi,
Dwi.
Righty,
Roithi.
my
he.
Oh, mine. Is it mine? No, mine he.
Mine he, I think. Mine hair.
Okay.
No, my he.
Mine
Hair. My he.
Okay.
This is her.
Dunny,
Dunny.
Duchy,
Dachi. Danu. Roithi. You. Do you want to swap around? So you can,
Well, no, because what I'm thinking
I'll do the
now.
Welsh.
Because what I'm thinking now is, we just take it in turns to roll.
Yeah.
And we don't
fuck
even
that,
have to
fuck
look.
that,
We
fuck
should know
that.
it off by heart now.
So you say the Welsh.
Okay.
I'll try and remember. I'll have to look at it.
4 is it's so. Dwi,
We are.
Righty, my he, Dunny.
Dunny. I do.
Dwi, my new.
Dau. You are.
Rwyt
You are. Duchy polite. Duchy there. She is.
Because then in all of them.
Remember it's opposite. Yeah. He is. Yeah. That's good. There we go.
You are.
It's my little technique. Very good. You are.
Oh my god.
A duchy. Get in duchy.
I am.
Righty.
It's gone.
You are familiar.
That's Dunny, I think. Dunny, because
Yes,
we are.
Yeah,
Dunny.
Dunny. Right te, gewch chi eistedd os... Well, you can sit there if you want, but eisteddwch wherever it's comfortable i chi, iawn? Na.
Knees,
You
help me up.
don't look. Good God. You don't look cyfforddus at y... Especially efo fi'n sefyll at y draed, di bas. Right. Okay.
They're lovely.
Iawn, ta boys. That's okay. Beth ydi ystyr ystyr. What's the meaning of? Beth ydy ystyr bywyd? What's the meaning of life? Beth ydy ystyr bywyd? Na, cwestiwn mawr. We'll think about it fory, yeah? Reit te.
Neu dim bod.
Dyna'r cwestiwn.
Dyna'r cwestiwn.
Dyna'r cwestiwn.
Tipyn bach o Shakespeare.
Tipyn bach o
Good girl, good girl.
Arbrin Hound is Reit, beth ydy ystyr byw? Live. Da iawn. Byw. Ie, dwi'n byw.
Dyn ni byw.
Reit, beth ydy... Da iawn.
Talk.
Da iawn.
Sorry, was that Miles?
Beth ydy ystyr siarad? Da iawn.
Sorry.
Beth ydy ystyr? Da iawn. Beth ydy ystyr?
Read.
Da iawn, darllen. It's way too easy for you. Way too hawdd.
To see.
Well, to see. Da iawn. OK, nawn ni wneud e ffordd arall. So sut dyn ni'n dweud...
Right, okay.
Sut dyn ni'n dweud to release?
Really high.
Da iawn. Hyddhau. Please, hyddhau fi. Believe.
Credu.
Prepare. To win.
Chwarae. I'm just taking a guess.
Da iawn. To play.
Was that the next one?
No, to run.
Redig.
Redeg.
Ardderchog. To invite.
Oh, gwahodd. I keep forgetting that one.
Gwahodd.
Gwahodd.
To work.
Gweithio.
To like.
Hoffi.
Hoffi ydy like. Isie. Hoffi neu lico.
What do you want?
O licio, ie. Isie to want. Play. Chwarae teg, fair play, da iawn. To be able to.
Gallu.
Da iawn. To fish.
Pysgota.
Da iawn.
Clank.
To canoe.
Oh,
Canwio. To paint or draw. Paintio. Neu arlunio. To draw. Canoes. Ooh, to shear. Neifio. To shear Dafydd. To shear a sheep.
Dafydd. Cynaifio
Dafad. Da iawn.
So beth Dafad?
Dafad, sheep.
Sheep.
One sheep. Un.
One.
Defaid. Yeah. Defaid more than one. Dafydd, sheep's name.
Dafydd ddim.
To film. Ffilmio. Da iawn. A to phone.
Ffonio.
Ardderchog. And so on, ac ymlaen, ac yn y blaen, ac yn y blaen, ac yn y blaen, ac yn y blaen. Reit te. Felly, nawr, dych chi yn gallu dechrau siarad mewn brawddegau. Wel, dych chi wedi dechrau siarad mewn brawddegau. Dych chi yn gallu rhoi'r rhain gyda'r rhain. Okay? To join these, gyda'r rhain, da ni isio superglue, iawn? Yn, da iawn. It's actually from yn, but because we've got all these vowels ar y diwedd, we just glynu nhw at ei gilydd, so apostrophe n. So, dyn ni'n dweud dwi'n. So, sut dyn ni'n dweud I understand?
Dwi'n deall.
Da iawn.
Oh, right.
I release.
Dwi'n rhywbeth.
I run.
Dwi'n rhedeg.
I invite.
Dwi'n gofal.
I work.
Dwi'n gweithio.
I canoe.
Dwi'n canoeio.
Neu, Cymraeg, 2 for the price of 1, I'm canoeing.
Dwi'n canoeio.
I canoe.
Dwi'n canoeio.
So, heddiw, Dwi'n canwio today, I'm canoeing. Dwi'n canwio bob dydd, I canoe every day. Iawn? Felly, mae'r un fath is the same yn Gymraeg, mae'n hawdd. Easy, because in English, chi'n clywed y gwahaniaeth? I am canoeing, I canoe. I am speaking, I speak. Dwi'n siarad yn Gymraeg, same thing. Right, I see.
Dwi'n
gweld. I'm winning. Da iawn. I'm filming. Ardderchog, iawn. So beth am, iawn? Hapus? Hapus, great. Yn yr un ffordd, same way, dyn ni'n neud gyda'r rhain. Felly, we are preparing. Da iawn. They are working. Neu, they work, da iawn. You are shearing. You are winning. They are coming. He is going. She is painting. We are playing. Chwarae. I'm able to. I can. Ardderchog. Iawn? Hapus? So, dych chi'n gallu defnyddio hwn. You can use this creatively i ddweud, so, dyn ni ddim yn stopio yn fanna though. We don't have to stop there, iawn? Dyn ni'n gallu adeiladu'r frawddeg. So, sut dyn ni'n dweud, we are filming Cariad at Iaith. Da iawn. So, building blocks, dych chi'n adeiladu'r frawddeg yn yr un ffordd, the same way dych chi'n neud yn Saesneg, iawn? Felly beth am, he is seeing Sian. Da iawn. He, mae so he is she. Mae ein gweld Sian.
My N. It's the end, isn't it?
Ein, yeah. So you put. So this is the glue.
My N, the glue.
My ein gweld Sian. Yeah. We believe John. Iawn. They are inviting Sarah. Iawn.
Party.
I'm releasing bats today. A slim mod, yeah, bats. Who went to do the bats, Nate? Wyn na? Na. Criw o'na chi? Na fo. Dwi'n rhyddhau y slim mod. Beth am,
Tri on ni?
Tri on ni.
Whoa! He used it well done.
Three of us.
Oh, well done.
You asked me that yesterday. You went, what's this a honno? Honno.
Yeah.
She is shearing a sheep.
Dafad.
We come from Aberaeron. Da iawn.
Mae'n leid to be.
Ie, dyn ni'n dod o Aberaeron. I'm able to speak Welsh. Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. Iawn, da iawn. Dwi ddim yn gallu gael. Na. Dwi'n... Rhigol, yeah. They are painting a picture.
Mae nhw peintio luniau.
Un llun, lluniau, lots of pictures, right? Iawn? Hapus? So dych chi'n gallu adeiladu brawddeg. Nawr te, beth am wneud y frawddeg yn hirach. Mae'r gair yma yn ddefnyddiol iawn, mynd, okay? Chos, os ydych chi eisiau siarad am y dyfodol about tomorrow, about the future, things you're going to do, you can say, I'm going, dwi'n mynd, to, beth ydi to, I, I'm going to play rugby. Da iawn. Rugby. In Aberaeron?
Yn Aberaeron.
Now.
Today?
Heddiw.
Fory tomorrow.
Would that stay in the present tense then?
Yeah.
If you're doing
I'm going.
tomorrow?
Yeah, because...
Really?
Achos, dyma pam, it's like another one thrown in. By using Mindy, going to, you can talk about tomorrow, see? You're not saying I will be, you're saying I'm going to see John tomorrow.
Okay.
So you just do this. Build it fel dych chi'n neud yn Saesneg, yeah? So I'm going to see a film in the cinema, right? Yn araf fel hyn. I'm going to see a film yn y cinema. Ardderchog. Beth am, we are going to fish in the river yn yr afon Teifi. Yeah? So we are going to fish in the river Teifi. So dych chi'n gallu defnyddio fo'n greadigol. Beth am they are going to
Maen nhw mynd I
phone John today
heddi
and see
gweld
Mary. Beth am she is going to play tennis and he is going to play rugby in the morning. In Aberaeron. So, she is going to play rugby. And he is going to play tennis. In the morning. In Aberaeron. In the morning. I am going to read Heat, and he is going to read War and Peace.
Dwi'n mynd I darllen
Heat magazine. Good you all.
A mae un mynd darllen Ryfel a Hedd.
She translated War and Peace.
Diolch.
Ardderchog. Reit beth am I ni adeiladu brawddegau? Reit Okay. Bydd tensiwn. Wyn?
And you can say adeiladu lan as well, so it's raising up then. It's a building up. It's building and then it's building up. Adeiladu lan.
Reit
Dwi offi disgo.
Dwi eisiau chi ddangos, dwi eisiau chi create a sentence sy'n gwneud synwyr that makes sense, okay? I've got more of those.
Like to that? Together?
Gyda'ch gilydd fel tîm bach, and then we're going to translate them. You can use any of those.
Let's go team.
Okay, iawn, so chi'ch tri, right, so, ac wedyn byddwn ni'n cyfieithu, we'll translate, iawn? Unrhyw beth. We're going to try and make a really clever one. Dangos, show. Yn gyflym, don't think too much about it, boys. Mae'n iawn. Heddi. Ynda? Let's make a really good one.
You keep going to win the rugby.
Unrhyw beth. Yeah, exactly. I thought I'd get them all onto the... allan o'r ffordd ar y dechrau.
Fori.
Have we got that?
No, we haven't got that.
Okay. And we could just say that at the end to see if they get
We're
it.
like missing an E.
Oh, okay. O na, mae I gyda fi.
Oh, diolch. Esgusodwch fi.
Mae'n iawn.
Dyma ni.
Dyna ti. Reit, fi ydy'r... I'll be your glue hefyd, iawn? Fi ydy'r super glue.
What have we got? Dyn ni'n... Where's Ellis gone?
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
we
okay.
said
Da iawn. Get in there. Good roll one.
Diolch.
Okay.
Adeiladu. Mae adeiladu.
If you hold there. You hold there. Yeah, that's it.
And now right on.
Mae'n
Are you going to
adeiladu.
add a little bit on the end?
Mae'n adeiladu.
That's right now.
Mae'n adeiladu, Madu.
Oh, okay.
Mae'n adeiladu, Madu, Radu.
We're going to it.
Mae'n adeiladu, Radu.
Oh, na, mae'n iawn. We're winning the rugby.
Was it? Yn adeiladu.
Mae'n iawn. Yeah.
Yn adeiladu.
Exactly, perfect. Reit te. Dwi eisiau chi ddarllen y frawddeg yn Gymraeg.
Dyn ni'n ennill y rygbi yn Aberaeron.
Ac yn Saesneg?
We win the rugby in Aberaeron.
We beth? We. Dyn ni'n ennill. We are winning. Iawn?
Winning the rugby.
Iawn, mae'n digwydd nawr. Now, because there's no mynd. There's no mynd.
I just said we win.
Going, we win.
the rugby.
We win the
That
rugby.
doesn't make
Oh yeah, mae hwnna'n, mae'n iawn,
doesn't make
ond
sense,
na.
so you'd never say
Ond
it, would you?
we're
That's
winning. Mae'r un fath, ti'n gweld? 2 for 1. We're winning the rugby yn Aberaeron. Da iawn. Yn Aberaeron. Ardderchog. Reit te, Alfie rhod y papurau I Bob. A, ie, dim ots, unrhyw un. Reit te. I wneud brawddeg, Have you got Sharon? Yeah. Okay. Should we have this? So they are running. White colours, yeah. Ydy mae o.
He doesn't do it.
Running hyfryd hefyd. Gwyneb Facebook. Stop nesa.
No, Germany.
So we need an E, don't we?
Yeah. Don't we...
Yeah, it's there. My new.
We need the end.
We need a Y.
Forward slash.
Two.
So one under the
No, it's
Mae'n neis,
two.
isn't it?
Yes.
It's like a
Aye.
slice in the front,
So,
well. Blind and a blind.
My
I was blind as in can't see.
Mine.
Oh, na.
Blind slice.
Then, mewn rygbi, blaenwr is forward. Blaenwr.
So what's blind side? Would that be a blind, if it was a blind side flanker?
But that's not in front of side flank.
Nobody wants to know what...
That is, now they say in
Ochr
something.
dywyll. Dyna maen nhw'n dweud.
What would it be?
Pardon me. Ochr dywyll. Ochr dywyll.
What's that translated?
Dark side.
Never.
That's how it translates.
Luke, I am your father. That's the dark side. Blind side flanker, number 6. Number 6.
Oh, Diane!
Blind side flanker ydy yr ochr dywyll, ie? Ie, ie. Blaen o skellwr ydy flanker. Ochr dywyll.
A skellwr?
Just let the cameraman teach you.
Forward wing is like
Forward
a
wing?
transition.
Yeah.
Well.
Flanker.
Oh, sorry.
Nôl at y fi.
Mae hi'n dim chwarae.
Fi pawb. Barod iawn.
Fucking hard, this is a... Mae'n galad I ti.
My barber shattered spine egg again.
We haven't got his dosbarth.
Dosbarth.
They're running to their
Okay.
Mae nhw'n redig yn Ffranig, fel, couldn't you?
Yeah, they're running in French. So, right, darllen...
No.
Neu, okay, so... Okay, gwrandewch, beth ydy'r frawddeg?
Mae nhw'n rhedeg I Ffrainc.
They
are running to France.
Da iawn. I Ffrangeg, Ffrangeg ydy'r iaith, the language. So, rhedeg i'r dosbarth Ffrangeg. Ie, bod hwnna'n iawn. Ardderchog, reit te. Pasiwch eich papur ymlaen. Da iawn.
I like reading them out like a text
Dau
message on the
Lisa
phone.
a...
Mae nhw'n redig I
Ffrangeg. Da iawn. A hwnna
Have you ever
di'r
texted
gliw
somebody
hefyd,
on their
da.
land?
Oh, yeah,
What, like orange carrot?
It's like roti.
Ble mae nhw? O, yma, dyma nhw.
Well, it's different. No, that's right, yeah. Or it's group and impersonal.
You can't
It's not
get
personal.
him
Whereas roti is.
We haven't got mynd.
Yeah, Mindy, yeah.
Trip me up, lad.
I. A mae hwnna'n dyna.
Na. Would I?
And we've got an
Have you got
A.
another E?
No, but we can make one.
Lara,
Wedi blino.
wedi blino cariad? Wedi blino...
5 minutes before they're barod anyway, won't I?
Merched ar...
Faff. Team Faff.
What's faff? What's that?
Faffing around.
Faff.
And Saesneg. Ten.
What's daughter? What's daughter?
In the script it just says ferch.
That's right
And
there.
son is...
Merched ar merch yn
Mae
ferch.
un mab.
Mab.
Son.
So you've got a...
Team with an I.
I can do... Oh, we can do like that then. Okay.
Cymru. Welsh rugby union team.
Did you play rugby then?
No, that's just something I picked up. Something I learned. Just in my vocab.
Oh, whoa, you've drafted in. That's that.
Anghamraeg. Os wy'n gyda?
Dych chi'n paratoi I mynd I disgo.
Yn Saesneg, os wy'n gyda?
You are preparing to go to the disco.
No.
You are preparing... You...
Go on again.
Dych chi'n paratoi.
You're
You are prepared.
Say it in English.
You
are
preparing
to go
To disco.
to disco.
A disco.
To a disco.
There is no at there. There's no definite article.
Dwi'n paratoi. Peidiwch a phoeni, don't worry, achos mae pawb yn deall, ond dych chi'n paratoi I fynd I ddisgo. Few mutations thrown in there, stimot. So how would we say, right, hwn ydi, you're preparing to go to a disco. Beth ydi, you are going to prepare to go to the disco.
Right, mynd
Iawn, so dych chi'n gallu rhoi 2 mynd I mewn, yeah? So you're going to prepare to go on holiday. Neu beth bynnag, yeah?
Rydych chi'n mynd I paratoi I fynd ar ei wyliau.
Wyliau, yn union. Hefyd, beth sy'n ffantastig, edrychwch ar hwn, iawn, os dych chi'n newid eich llais, iawn, dych chi'n paratoi I fynd I ddisgo. You're preparing to go to a disco. Os dych chi'n newid eich llais, if you change your voice, iawn, dych chi'n paratoi I fynd I ddisgo?
Question.
See? Pan o'n i'n dysgu Saesneg yn Turkey, when I was in Turkey yn dysgu Saesneg I bobl, it's so difficult because you have to go, you are preparing, and then, are you preparing? Yn Gymraeg, dim problem. Just newid eich llais. Yeah, Ffrangeg.
Portuguese.
Yeah, gyda dych chi.
Ydych.
Spaneg?
Yeah.
Spaneg.
Yn union.
Neu ydych.
Yn union. So it's yn union. Iawn. So beth am? Are we? Okay, eisteddwch, diolch.
Ar y teledu.
Dwi'n siarad caci.
So that's why they said going to Buddha school. Do you hate me now?
Are we winning? Oh, hey, we're winning. So dan ni'n dweud, hey, dan ni'n ennill. Da iawn.
Dan ni ennill.
Hey, are we winning? Hey, dan ni'n ennill. Da iawn. Hey, we're winning. Hey, dan ni'n ennill. Hey, are we winning? Hey, dan ni'n ennill. Yn farchod. Dan ni'n ennill. Iawn. Dan ni'n ennill.
That'd be my mother, she never knows what's going on.
Hapus? Give me the I get it face. That's the I don't get it face. Ti'n iawn? Ardderchog. Reit te, beth am i ni... ble mae'r ffeil?
I don't get it face for the lesson. Oh my god.
Have you done that?
Yeah, it's like the where you say it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You say the same, but it's how you say it.
Yeah, it's like-
makes it a... Go on.
It's like, can I do it in English? It's like,
Yeah, go on then.
Are you going?
Yeah.
No, that is the question. What am I doing there?
Like we.
I'm losing my English. I have no idea what language I'm speaking anymore. Oh, brilliant.
I came in speaking English and left with nothing.
With something. Oh, no.
Alex ar y ffôn bore yma gyda'i wraig a oedd e'n siarad ac nath e anghofio beth oedd y gair Saesneg am amgyffroes. So all he could say was, yeah, it's really cyffroes.
Wow. I was going to say, oh, I'm excited to see you tomorrow. And all I could think of was Gufflos. I was like, Gufflos?
What's cyffroes?
Oh, what's that in English?
Excited.
And I came out with dreading. She was cross.
It wasn't impressive. It was frustrating. I was like, yeah, only happened once with one word. Brilliant.
Ydy? O, dych chi wedi canu hwn efo Iwan?
Yeah.
O, do? Yn symud. Do?
Be seen bowed and summit, in be seen bowed and summit, in be seen bowed and summit,
Da ni o'n ademon. OK, dim problem.
a slap at the flesh. Play my sound man.
Chi wedi wneud hwn?
Where's the sound today?
You scared him off his head.
Little tea.
Are we kept him back? Are we kept him back?
Diolch.
Chi wedi wneud hwn, dau gi bach?
No, this is...
Oh, and beast. That's right, beast and bowed.
Un fraich.
No, we added that.
Yn slap ar y frest. A codi a geistedd o codi a throi yn symud. Un fraich. A ni ddim yn gwybod. Reit te, ar eich traed, boys, ar eich traed. Ar eich traed. Dau gi bach. Two little dogs went to the woods with a new shoe on each foot. Two little dogs came home having lost one of their shoes.
Hell of a story, that. That is a hell of a story.
Genius. Makes you proud to be Welsh.
Yeah.
Two little dogs.
Dog was Norse dog.
Key. On dau gi. Because the dau, it's just changed from key to gi. Mae'n iawn. Right, okay. So fel hyn, iawn. Dau gi bach yn mynd i'r coed, esgid newydd am bob troed. Dau gi bach yn dŵad adre, wedi colli un esgidiau. Dau gi bach.
Wedi colli un.
You can't be music here, or what?
I didn't get that.
The tune actually does.
I don't know the tune.
The tune on here isn't the tune that we all know for Daigie Bath.
I had never used it before in my life.
Yeah, because we all know the tune we normally sing for Daigie Bath.
Yeah, well, on the Where Do You Costly, I think most people just sing 3 Gs there. Where do you costly?
There's a key change in the
Lle mae hwn fel?
Just because it goes down?
Yeah,
You're talking about...
Cerddorion. Reit te, oce, unwaith eto. 1, 2, 3. Daigie bach yn mynd i'r coed, esyn newydd am bob troed. Daigie bach yn dwad adre wedi colli yn o sgidiau Daigie bach. Da iawn, reit te. Cyn i ni fynd, dwi eisiau i chi feddwl am eich hoff air yn y byd, your favourite gair Cymraeg, iawn? In yr wythnos yma, can be anything, unrhyw beth, iawn? A dwi eisiau i chi, gyda'ch partner, iawn? Mae un person yn, fod yn partner i ti, yn mynd i sillafu spell y gair, naill either, ar gefn person.
It's a bit rough, love.
Neu ar law y person, iawn? So, okay, so beth ydy hwn? You're not supposed to look, love.
Sorry, Karen.
Oh, you missed the first one. Right, okay.
There.
Oh, okay.
There. Can you do that again, sir?
Why, Bob? I'm looking at what you're doing. Why Big Bob?
Dig. Can you do...
Right.
Diggy.
Degi. Close, deall. Da iawn, Bob. Da iawn.
Sorry,
My
Carrie.
beautiful assistant. Iawn? Dych chi'n deall?
Yeah, dwi'n
deall. Dewis gair, choose a word, o'r sgript falle, cos wedyn, dych chi'n gwybod bydd y person arall yn gwybod, they'll know it. A sillafu, spell it out, ar llaw neu gefn y person. Iawn?
Iawn.
I got the one for you.
Cefn, either ar y llaw neu ar y cefn. Mae fyny chi.
Good, and then go on.
Okay.
And then you're going to do that way.
What do you mean you would see it?
So I'm writing, so I'm not going to do it back. Never mind, forget what I just said. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
So say the letter wedyn after he's done it.
Oh wow, your back goes in. I forgot he's a fit guy, isn't he? Everyone else just goes straight down there. Okay. So this is the first one.
I'm good at
Diane.
I'm trying to write it.
No, it's one letter at a time.
Sorry.
Diane.
So far.
D-Y-M-I-N.
Hobby.
Diane.
A wedyn newid.
O.
So ti ysgrifennu.
Dymynol.
E.
E.
Yeah, Diane. Yeah.
Ennill, to win, yes. Do we have to just guess what he's writing, or do we have to do it in English as well?
Na. Oh, guess and then translate.
Yeah, right, okay, yeah, right, okay.
Eto. Like E, P-O-E.
Yeah.
V.
Gwlad. Is that again? Country. What's the country?
You can jump in whenever you want, but if you get it wrong, you jumped in too early, that's it, that's wrong.
I forgot what my first one was. P-O-E. P-E-V-R.
Do you like the first one, Kat?
I can't remember what the word is, but it's sparkling, isn't it? But I don't know what it is in Welsh. Keep going. E. O. G. Pefriog.
Yeah.
Da
Yeah, that is your favourite word, isn't it?
Pefriog.
Do you want me to face you?
Yeah, yeah, right, just like that, so we can do it.
first
Right.
one.
C. W. R.
Come on.
Cool. Cool. Oh, I didn't get that one at all.
I'm not going to shut that down.
It's like an upside down L.
No, it's a...
Okay.
It's like an F with no middle thing.
There's no capitals, alright?
Lowercase, okay.
It's like no letter that's ever been invented. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
It's like an F.
T. Right.
E.
A.
I.
I'll do it again.
I. S. Curtais.
Yes.
Courteous as near as possible. Right hand.
Okay.
Reit te. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
We're only now warming up.
Bless you.
We spent the first half sleeping.
You're not getting paid for the first half. Don't get money for the first half. We were just asleep.
Reit te, eisteddwch am un eiliad, achos...
Oi. O. Tochio.
Reit te, pwy sydd wedi cael blodau heddiw? Miss Lucy Jones. Neis. Am gyffroes iawn. Am gyffroes iawn.
Troi'n
Arogli.
nice.
Neis iawn, a maen nhw'n edrych yn neis. Neu gwynto.
Beth yw...
Da iawn, dyn ni gyd eisiau gwybod nawr.
Alex, you send the flowers?
Envelope.
Amlen.
Manageriol.
Neis.
Oh, neis iawn.
Yn Gymraeg?
Yn Gymraeg.
Gymraeg.
I Lucy.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Lucy, that's lush, fair play, do you
I wythnos wych I cariad at iaith. Oh, longer. Llongyfarchiadau. Cariad mawr. David a pawb at Avanti.
Do you know what we haven't done today yet? What? No? Yeah? No, we have done the anthem. Ready? Do you know what we haven't done today? That we've done almost every day?
Penblwydd hapus I dau.
Penblwydd hapus I ti. Penblwydd hapus